Welcome to the March subscription box, and it is so gorgeous. We've got this A5 notebook in the box, and we've got a couple of other really cool things in here as well. We've got a notepad, we've got some coloring pages. Notepad is in the yellow box. Inside the pink box, some enamel pins, washi tape, die cut stickers. You can see the calligraphs there. We're going to start by opening up these coloring pages. These are a really thick cardstock. We listened to the feedback that everybody gave to Archer and Olive. So these are far thicker, and you can paint on these, you can draw on these, and you can use the Caliographs to fill in all of the really cool little patterns that are on this page. And feel free to head to the blog on how we use those so you can see how we use them in this particular box. Next up, we have these adorable die cut stickers, and there is a ton of them, and they are so cute, and they just match the box perfectly. They're vinyl stickers, so they really stick well on not just in your notebook, but they can also stick on a bunch of other things like laptops, phones, etc. Then inside here, inside this really cute little yellow box, we have a very cute notepad, and the notepad has 3 different colored papers, all on our 160 GSM paper. We've got a light green, dark green, and a really fun bright yellow. And it's dot grid, so you can stick those into your notebook as needed, or you can use those as accent pages in your notebook. Let's head into the pink box, which are the enamel pins or the enamel bookmarks. And these are also kind of jungle vibe with the little jaguar and the Montserrat leaf. And you can use those to mark pages or show where you're actively doing something in your notebook at that time. Next up is the gorgeous washi tape. We've got 4 rolls of washi tape, and they're in differing sizes. We've got a standard size, a really thick size, and 2 thinner sizes. And they match all of the kind of ingredients in this box perfectly. Then onto our Caliographs. We've got 5 Caliographs. They're dual tipped, so you've got a nice thick end and a thin end, and we've got these in 5 really fun bright colors that also match the theme of the box. Then straight onto our favorite, most awesome thing in this box. We've got an A5 notebook with white pages. It has a Montserrat leaf on the front, and there's something really special about this book this time that we are really excited to show you. Have a look at that beauty. I love the teal. It's one of my favorite things. Now, what's really cool about that particular notebook is there are perforated pages inside, and we'll come back to that in a second. Onto our gigantic tote bag. This thing is huge, and it fits so much into it. It just keeps unfolding and unfolding and unfolding, and it has so many pockets, and it's really deep and just contains so much space to carry your really important bits and bobs around with you. And I think even with this camera angle, you actually can't see the size and volume of this gigantic tote bag. It is just humongous. So I'm really excited to show you. It's got this little side pocket as well. So if you're going shopping or using it for shopping, you can put things in the side like flowers. And we tried to show you that in the product images as well. I can't promise that those were perfect, but we tried really hard to show you that you can use it for so many different things. The small pockets in the front actually fit the A5 notebook in it. And I went ahead and tried to see how much stuff I can shove in these pockets. And I was able to fit a ton of stuff. So I'll show you at the end of this video all of the things I was able to shove into this bag to kind of show you the volume of how much can fit in there. That is pretty much everything in this beautiful box, and we are so excited to see what you create with this box. We're so excited to see all of the really fun things that you're able to make and do and kind of give a new try to. Great, let's pop all of those back into the box and do feel free to check out the link below and see what we have ready to go for you, as these subscriptions are now open and this box is absolutely awesome. So please, please, please share with us what you end up creating with the items from this box. We cannot wait to see them all.